a real quick video because we can do long tube header installs. So hit us up in the description below if you want them installed on your car. Stay tuned, lots more coming up. Hit it again, hit it again.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video. We'll see you next time. Mills Garage.
We got a Corlan. Corlan's gonna be tuning cars here. High five.
Like and subscribe, Mills Garage. What's up?
Woo!